Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about our RCS-25 and RCS-30 ratcheting cable slitters. Both of these slitters are perfect for midspan and end cuts and slits in many cables with PVC or rubber jackets, as well as ducts made of PVC or HDPE, etc. Each tool has a fixed jaw for better biting into a cable or a duct. They have adjustable blade depth from 0 to 5 millimeters. They're scaled on the side from 0 to 30 millimeters so that you can accurately determine the length of your slit. They have steel blade that is double-sided, so as one blade eventually wears, you can remove it and simply flip it over. The blades are replaceable. The difference between the RCS-25 and the RCS-30 is the RCS-30 blade design has a much more aggressive shape, allowing you to puncture into ducts, creating either a midspan or a window cut. Thank you.